I can't help! Hold on, whiz-bangs! Piece of cake! I should clean these out once in a while. I'm meant to be good at this. I have a medal and everything.
Ooh, nice medal, Lou.
There he is. And my mum and dad. Mum, Dad, we're here. Guys, my jets are clogged. Ricky to the rescue.
Speed check. Spoiler up. Visor on. Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! Help me out, DJ!
Rev on!
It's so heavy!
Oh no, the paint cans!
Skate bobs, go!
Can't hold on much longer!
We just need a little more power! Skate bobs, fix loops, jets! Boost the power! Leave it to loop! That was close.
Oh, thanks, bike buddies. If you hadn't come along, we'd be cleaning up paint splatter all day.
Mrs. Mikey! Mrs. Mikey! What's gone wrong? My brake fluid! Again?
Sorry! We've got to do something to save Mrs. Bikely.
Bike buddies, wheel it in! Not still awesome! Not our boo! Mrs. Bikely is still awesome! We need more speed, like still awesome! Bike buddies, I have an idea!
Speed check. Spoiler up. Visor on. Gadgets, go!
Time to do something about that gizmo! Scootio, Luke, can you look out for Mrs. Bikely? Yes! DJ, can you bring that board over here?
Yes.
Oh, she's coming back! Ricky to the rescue!
Uh-oh. We're in trouble this time, Supersonic Boy.
Vroom boy!
Supersonic Boy is better.
Hold on, you two. We'll find a way to get you down.
Whoa!
Now that is a real rescue bike.
Ricky, you're going to need to winch him down. Do you think you can do that?
Me? Really?
You're my sidekick.
Ricky to the rescue!
That's it, Ricky. Slowly.
Maybe I do need a sidekick. Steel Awesome saves everyone! But who saves Steel Awesome? It's genius.
There you are, ready to save another day.
That was amazing! If only we could get this on camera.
You say hello to Zoomcam. This walk is coming apart.
Coming, Ricky. Grab on, sidekick.
I'm speeding up again.
Where are we? I still can't see.
Just as relaxing as I remember.
Oh, look! It's Maxwell. I know. New plan. Scootio, Skatebox, go! This is our last chance. Scootbox, flip him upside down. What? Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check. Spoiler up. Visor on. Gadgets, go.
Grappling hook, go! Fantastic! Hooray!
We stopped! I mean, I totally couldn't see what happened, but you did it!
Oh, hello, Blip. Come to watch the sun.
Maxwell, we might have some things that need fixing.
How's that? Better?
Oh, much better. Thanks, Maxwell.
Now then, what about this traffic light?
Oh, yeah.
Loop, it's just us.
That's it. Come on, guys, we're catching up. Vroom. Steel Awesome would stay cool and calm, and so can we. Let's stick together this time and sneak up on him. Everybody, be as sneaky as you can.
I'm sorry. My tools rattle when I'm nervous.
My sound detector's picking up noises.
That's not me.
That could be a ghost bite.
Oh,
It's coming from over there.
We've got him this time. Stand back, guys. Steel even more awesome. We'll take care of this.
Show yourself, Ghost.
Hello, Ricky.
Officer Bunker? What are you doing here?
I'm on patrol.
Sorry if we scared you. We thought you were a ghost bike.
Ghost bike? Is that some kind of Wheeloween trick?
No, sir. He's out there stealing candy.
Stealing candy? But that calls for a police officer like me. And I'm a police officer like me. Now, stand back. Officer on patrol. Ghost patrol.
Bike buddies! He has to be here somewhere. Whoa! It's like he's trying to get away.
Mr. Speedy would never do that.
Keep up with him! Mr. Speedy!
Where did he go? We lost him.
Mr. Speedy! Are you here?
He can't answer you. He only squeaks.
He squeaks! I'll use my sound detector. The bridge! This way!
Oh dear. Oh, where are they?
The movie's starting soon.
Going so fast? And can I do it too?
He's in trouble.
Let's follow him.
I've got this. Woohoo! Booster Blaster! This thing is awesome! There's no way I'd ever miss the Mega Whirly Leap with this!
How did you do that?
That's the fastest you've ever gone!
Do you have a new booster or something? I'm the Booster Master. Let me see.
It's nothing! Just warming up for tonight! Gotta go!
Oh, he'll be here soon. Oh, he'll be here soon. Oh, what if he doesn't come? Oh, he said he would. Oh, why isn't he here yet? Oh, Steve.
You're not Toot, I'm Toot. And you're making me miss the end of the movie.
Your hypnotizing machine won't hypnotize anyone else today, Muffler Crunk.
But I like hypnotizing. It's fun.
It's a movie?
What's a movie? What's happening?
But that means my dad isn't hypnotised by Muffler Crunk, so that means he really needs me. Bike buddies, let's zoom out to the bridge.
so long?
We need your help.
It's hard to explain, but I'm here now.
Never haul bricks and a pipe at the same time. Bit off more than I can chew here, eh?
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! DJ, Scootio, he used the crane! Got it! Lift it up! We did it! So let's hear it then. We rev, we dig, we jump and bang. Look out, Wheelford, we're the Fantastic Gang! And now let's get to it.
Rev on!
Scoot Mods, shine! Don't worry, Muffler Crow won't capture your little bikes.
Thanks, Luke. Oh, it's still awesome here too.
Even better, we are ready to roll, Ricky.
Okay, everybody, follow Luke.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Grappling hook, go! Don't worry, I gotcha.
That was amazing!
All right, everybody, and now let's get home before the storm hits.
What an adventure!
You're telling me? The Zoomtastic gang scared off Muffler Crunk before he even showed up. Well, maybe Muffler Crunk didn't come this time, but if he does, we'll be ready for him. You bet! Backwards boosters, go!
Luke!
It's like it doesn't want to be caught.
Ricky! That package wasn't yours. It was your father's.
Wait, does that mean?
That's not a toy. It's a real rescue ramp, and my dad might need it.
That's exactly what that means.
Scootio, DJ, go catch that ball. Luke, come on.
Dad? I thought your dad was supposed to do the rescuing. I'm sorry, Dad. I have your ramp.
He knows, Ricky. I'm the one who figured it out. I'm smart that way.
Well, I've got the ramp. I guess I'm the one who has to use it to get him down.
Oh, without training, you'll just bounce all over the place.
Boy, did we find that out the hard way. I know, but I think I've got an idea. I can't watch. I can't not watch. I'll do both.
Ricky, are you sure about this?
Give him a chance, Hank. Are you ready, Ricky?
Ready, Mum.
It's not high enough.
Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Push it higher! Oh no! Slow-mo!
That's it, Ricky.
Hey! Yes! You can come down now, Dad!
ready to rescue. Let's get you and Sergeant Teddy down, Buster.
Dear's Mum and Dad, the spinner's out of control. Quick, help! It won't stop spinning.
Code Red, Adventure Park emergency. I'm on my way.
Officer Hoopla, did you block off the adventure park?
Oh, right. Yeah, I was just about to do that.
We can do it later. Right now, we need to find a package of tools that was supposed to go to Mr. Rumbler.
Let's track it! Zoom cam, go! Found it! Looks like it was dropped.
Maybe I was going a little too fast.
Maybe, but fast is just what we need right now. What do you say, Dad? Emergency delivery from Hank Zoom Express?
Sounds like the perfect job for me.
And maybe Officer Hoopla, can clear the way so Mr. Zoom can zoom!
Yeah!
Let's do this.
Everybody else, to the adventure park! Bike buddies, wheel it in! I bet my mum has already got them off the junior bumper by now. Mum?
I tried to stop it. It's out of control.
There's the emergency stop button.
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Thanks.
I can't do it. Hey guys, any ideas?
DJ, knock the building down! Really? We can't do that.
Aww.
Ricky, you gotta rescue him.
I tried. I can't do it.
You weren't trying to rescue Dasher. You were trying to be Dasher. Just be Ricky.
You're right. How would Ricky do this? Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! That's it! Time to zoom! Grappling hook, go! I'm coming, Dasher! Am I glad to see you, cuz? I'm gonna lower you down, okay? Are you sure you know how? I do this all the time. I think you're my favourite cousin. Bike buddies, go! DJ! Yes! And
Mum said I should listen to you, and I didn't.
right! That's what I was gonna say.
And I'm really, really sorry. And whoa, have you seen how high this is?
I probably should have let you have more fun. I just wanted to keep you... Whoa! This is really high!
Yeah, I think I want to do the zigzag again. That bump was high enough. Yay, bump!
I don't think there's another way down. What if we do it together? I think I know how to make it safe and fun. Scootio, I need Zoom Cam to bring us something. Got it!
Ready, Toot?
I am if you are.
Then get set, go!
Whoa!
Having fun now, Toot?
Way better in the zigzag.
Whoa! I don't believe it! Toot went on the ramp up! She's the bravest bike I ever saw! That was so exciting!
It was amazing. You guys have to try it. If you have a big brother to go down with you.
Yeah! I think I'm gonna do the ramp up too! I'm ahead now, but not for long! See, Dasher? I'm winning! Dasher!
Gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace.
Ashley Ace, the speedster! Whoa! So cool! Let's go!
Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me.
Oh, I can't come.
We'll race later, though.
Okay?
See you later, guys!
I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Windshield Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help! I'm fine! Oh no, Toot!
Dear. Wow! Now I really am helpless. Help me, Ricky!
Toot! Time to zoom for real! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Hang on!
Hurry up, Ricky!
I've got you, Toot. Here we go. Hold on!
You're the best, Ricky.
Awesome! Incredible! Steel Awesome did it!
Ricky, your performance was as brave as Steel Awesome's best rescue scenes, and really funny too.
Way to go, Ricky. That was awesome. How does that keep happening? Thanks, everyone. We did it! Next time you're in trouble, just call for Squeak Awesome. That was so fun. Best Steel Best ever! Ricky, can you teach me to wobble like that? How is this? Sorry, Toot. Is the wobbling making it hard to ride?
No!